This is the brief on recent milestones in China's autonomous technology and automotive industry. Today, we're looking at official March 2026 announcements that show exactly how major tech players are successfully integrating robotics and AI into real-world commercial operations. First, Lei Jun, founder, chairman, and CEO of Xiaomi, announced on March 2 that Xiaomi's humanoid robots have started internships at the company's automotive factory. So, what are the robots doing? Well, the robots are handling autonomous operations at self-tapping nut-loading workstations and material box handling scenarios. With mean time between failures and success rates improving, Lei Jun estimates a large number of humanoid robots will work in Xiaomi factories within the next 5 years. Second, Pony.ai announced its 7th-generation robotaxi hit monthly per-vehicle operating profitability in Shenzhen in February 2026. This makes Shenzhen the second Tier 1 city where Pony.ai hit this mark, following Guangzhou in November 2025. To put that into perspective, Pony.ai's average daily net revenue hit 338 yuan, alongside 23 daily orders per vehicle. In fact, as of February 16th, Pony.ai's paid orders in Shenzhen for 2026 already surpassed Pony.ai's total for all of 2025. Finally, Didi Autonomous Driving established Didi Voyager Labs via an in-depth industry-academia research cooperation with Professor Li Shenbo's research group at Tsinghua University. Didi Autonomous Driving stated the lab will focus on multimodal large models, world models, and reinforcement learning to drive breakthroughs in end-to-end autonomous driving and cultivate AI talent. From factory floors to city streets, these milestones show a clear, data-backed shift of autonomous technologies moving from development into measurable daily commercial operations.